Here I have ULEFONE Armor 5S, and today I'm going to show you how to check your IMEI number and serial number on this device. So first method, you can just open phone, application, open keypad on it and enter the secret code, which is *06#. And now you can see IMEI 1, IMEI 2 and serial number displayed on the screen. And the second method, you can just open settings, then go to the about device section. And here you can find IMEI slot 1, IMEI slot 2, and in model and hardware you can find your serial number. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.